hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Okay, the day that I post my Sunday dinner, my pork loin, my roasted pork loin with green beans. Okay, so here's the deal, you guys. When you cook any kind of pork or roasted pork, I had the pork, well, I want to say pork loin, and I took some of my meat and I just made it meat up out of a burrito. Okay, and smothered with some green chili. Okay, so inside everything was cooked, so that's why I did not show you guys. And don't get it twisted, this is my pork with refried bean, pork refried bean in the inside and cheese. This is my burrito. This ain't coming from no Mexican restaurant. This is mine. So what I did, I cut up some meats of lettuce and tomato. So don't even go there and stuff. It was, she got that at a restaurant. I don't think so. and then, like I said, you guys search, on my beef and beans smothered burrito, you can see that I always make my burrito from scratch. I guarantee. Yes. But anywho, this is my dinner. And again, like I said, when I post my roasted pork, I can't even talk, my pork loin, meat and stuff with the green beans. So I just turn the meat. I just got some. I have some leftover pork and stuff. So yeah, and I just had some. I opened me a can of refried beans and some other with the cheese and with lettuce and tomato. Yes. Look at that. Don't that look good? I know. Yes. And you guys, I really like to save the container. When I go, order food and stuff, I really like to, cause this keep your food warm. I guarantee. Yes. I've been said that a lot of time in my video, that I upload. Like I like to keep these this container. I might as well keep it here that I paid for it. And it just really keep your food warm. Yes. Alright, so anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to cut into it. Okay? I'm going to show you what's all inside. Let me go ahead and pause this, you guys, because I don't have my stand. Well, that's a good thumbnail right there. Okay, so cut it. Well, I cut it, but look at that. Look at that cheese. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wowza. And let me see if I can turn it around. Just kind of see that pork. Yep. See that pork inside of it? Get this. Yep, that's the pork. Look. So you guys can get that first bite. I don't mind. Got it? Yeah, I'm gonna take my bite. Oh my God, look at that, you guys. Whoa, take that bite. Okay. See, that's the pork. I just shredded up. And if you saw the vegetable I did with my pork, that's some of the onion. Look. I don't know if y'all can see that refried bean. But anywho. That is so delicious. Alright, let me get out of here and finish because I don't want my food to get cold. That's that onion. See? Yeah. And that's that pork. I just shredded up. See that pork? Look, look. See? And that chili that you guys saw me, it's so easy to make green chili. You know, you just put tomato, onion. No, you don't really have to season the pork because the pork is already seasoned. You know, but yeah, it's so easy to make green chili. All right, let me get out of here because I am talking and I am hungry. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Bye. Oh, I forgot to show you what I'm drinking on. That's what I'm drinking on. I love this. All right. Bye-bye.